Hey there, this is JoJo from 7 Plane Healings and AstroJO.com with your AstroSonics, where we go on a cosmic sound journey together. And today we're welcoming the powerful Leo new moon, which is at 2 degrees Leo on the 24th of July in Australia, exact at 5:11 a.m. Australian Eastern Standard Time. And the moon is conjunct the sun, obviously, in bold Leo, and it's opposite the shadowy depths of Pluto, trining the mystical union of Saturn and Neptune, while sextiling the brilliant spark of Uranus and squaring the wounded wisdom of Chiron. So if you'd stick around as we explore the depths of these cosmic alignments, and then we'll be followed by a special planetary tuning fork sound session to help you attune your energy to Leo's fiery brilliance and transform heart-centered courage. So the Leo new moon delivers a potent wave of cosmic energy, initiating a cycle of emotional renewal, creative courage, and inner transformation. Now, the moon is conjunct the sun at 2 degrees Leo. We're gifted a unique spark of self-expression, an opportunity to align our emotional and conscious selves with purpose. And this aspect, it encourages bold beginnings rooted in the heart's truth, making it ideal for setting intentions around authenticity, personal leadership, and creative ventures. Now, with an opposition to Pluto in Aquarius, the moon dives into deeper emotional territory. Now, this aspect, it can stir a confrontation with hidden dynamics, fears, or unresolved power struggles. So the tension between Leo's need to shine and Pluto's intensity, it can lead to breakthroughs, but only if we're willing to face what's been buried, which is quite ideal also with the Mercury in retrograde, going back and digging up hidden things. So it's a transformative encounter, offering alchemy through emotional truth and through courageous vulnerability. And a harmonious trine to Saturn and Neptune. So Saturn and Neptune have been conjunct for quite a while, and the full moon has a harmonious trine to this conjunction in Aries, and it provides balance. It provides grounding the new moon's fire with spiritual wisdom and structure. And this aspect supports bringing dreams into form and aligning higher vision with responsible action. And the moon sextile to Uranus is in Gemini, or Uranus in Gemini. So the moon, well, it's a full moon, is in sextile to Uranus in Gemini, and it adds an electric charge to the lunation. So we can expect intuitive downloads, shifts in communication, or flashes of insight that open new pathways. Now, this is a playful, innovative energy that invites emotional liberation and experimentation. So especially in how we connect with others or express ourselves. And finally, there is a square to Chiron in Aries. So this may challenge our sense of worth, particularly around identity and vulnerability. And the Leo energy is asking us to show up, shine, while Chiron reminds us of the tenderness behind that urge. Old emotional wounds may surface during this time, but they carry medicine. So this aspect nudges us to heal through self-compassion and by affirming our right to be seen, valued, and heard. So let's align with these frequencies with a special planetary tuning forks. These special tuning forks that I have, they're all attuned to the different planets that we just talked about. And we will resonate with Leo's golden tones, Pluto's transformational depths, Saturn's stabilizing cadence, Neptune's ethereal hum, Uranus's electrifying pulse, and Chiron's healing energy. So if you'd just like to join me on this sacred sound journey, allowing your mind and body to attune to these cosmic frequencies. So just take in a deep breath and release. Take another deep breath and just letting go, bringing your awareness to your heart and softening into deep relaxation as you bathe in the frequencies of the spheres. And today's affirmation is, I honor my truth, transform through courage, and radiate my soul's light unapologetically. So I honor my truth, transform through courage, and radiate my soul's light unapologetically. Just take a moment, integrate these energies, feeling the balance and the harmony within. And if you're ready, and you want to experience the transformative power of one of these personal planetary tuning fork sound alignment, which is specific to your own natal chart, or the transits that are aspecting your natal chart, just check out the links in the description, or visit AstroJO.com to begin your journey into cosmic resonance and inner harmony. And if you'd like to explore a bit more about my frequency imprinted energy pendant, it's just go to seventhplanehealings.com and discover how vibrational frequencies can support your energy field. And this has a Tesla coil, bifilar wound, cut at the sacred cubit length, resonating at 144 Hertz, imprinted with frequencies, EMF protection, and some holographic material also imprinted with spiritual protection, aura protection, cleansing, your meridian alignment, and your energy field alignment, and all of the chakras, and a few other things. And they can be imprinted specifically to whatever you would like, using rife frequencies, and using also scalar field technology. So if you want to check that out, that is seventhplanehealings.com. They come in with the outer edge color is silver gold or a rose gold. And well, thanks for watching. And if you would like to, if you want to keep up to date, just subscribe, like, share, sign up for my newsletter, whatever it is you like to do if you haven't already. And let's tune into the universe together.